So good evening aviation lovers guys, my name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu and I guys welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, today we'll be dealing the vacancy regarding the cargo reservation agent Chennai base. So guys, this video will be the very detailed video and very detailed analysis about the new vacancy which has came in Qatar Airways for cargo reservation agent. So guys, if you're new in the channel, please do press the subscribe button, also press the bell notification icon. Guys, do also follow my Aviation Live 2020 page, and guys, this is an Instagram page. And guys, one more thing before starting the video, let me share a few things. Is that I used to coach people to crack airlines interview, and I used to give guidance, coaching in home in Google Meet. So guys, till now we have 106 selection in airlines industry, and we used to make resume with guaranteed shortlist. Guys, our coaching is India's first online coaching by Airlines Employee. Guys, I have cracked 6 rounds of interview and 1 cabin crew interview. So I know a lot of secret cracks, secret tricks which will be helping you to crack airlines interview and to crack and to make a good career in the airlines industry. Guys, also do watch these two playlists. Here it is mentioned about the interview content and selected subscriber. Do watch these two playlists, guys. It will be very much helpful for you, and it will make the things very much clear regarding how my students crack the interview and the interview content. Do watch this two content. It's free of cost video, and you will get much more better clarity regarding the vacancies, regarding the video, regarding the interview, right? One more thing is that guys, do also follow me in the Telegram. The Telegram link is in the description, and do also watch all the videos of the selected student. Now guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, this vacancy is for the Qatar Airways. So if you want to search this vacancy, what you can do is that you can this is the Qatar Airways website, official website. Guys, always do see the job notification in official website, right? So what you can do is that customer service, cabin crew, cargo. So click on the cargo and airport operations. Right, after clicking on cargo and airport operations, it will be difficult for you to find out. So just do write location, correct, write MAA at Chennai. So there is one vacancy at Chennai base. So as you can see, so this video will be very detailed video, very detailed analysis. So if you want to join airlines industry in cargo department, guys, this video is for you. So click on this thing. Okay, so as we can see, there's a new page, guys. Here the things are clearly mentioned, right? That the last day closing date is 6th of February 2022, right? Although you are not able to see because of white color, but it's clearly mentioned. So this is a last day to apply for this job. So if you want to apply for this job, you have to click on apply now button. That thing will be later, right? The Chennai, right? Chennai MA, India. So India is a country where you have to work, and Chennai is a base, right? You have to work at Chennai, right? Chennai is a base where you have to work, Chennai airport. And cargo, the vacancy is for the cargo and airport operations, and closing date is 6 Feb 2022, right? So if you got selected, you will be working at Chennai. Now the next thing is that what will be the salary? Your salary will be approx 35,000 to 40,000. Guys, remember one thing, Qatar Airways is the airways which provide very good salary package to their employees. So salary will be 35,000 to 45,000. So I think it's very good salary package as we compare to other airlines, domestic airlines. They used to provide very less salary. But as we can compare to Qatar, these are the airlines which provide very good salary to their employees. Now guys, coming to the next thing is about what is the minimum qualification required. So guys, as clearly mentioned, preferred with bachelor's degree or equivalent previous experience. Guys, preferred with bachelor's degree. So if you're having BA, BBA, BCom, BSc, BTech, BE, you are eligible for this, guys. You are eligible for this job. Guys, one more thing is that it's clearly mentioned high school qualification can be considered. So if you're having a high school qualification, so guys, it doesn't mean they will be not considering, they will be considering you. Guys, one more thing, it's clearly mentioned minimum 2 years of job related experience. So if you're having experience regarding this job, you can apply for this kind of job. One more thing, if you're not having experience, although a lot of times, although it's written 2 years, but if you're having an experience, if you're not having, although it's written 2 years, and if you're not having an experience, and if you perform very well in the interview, guys, you will be going to get selected. Few days before our student got selected at Qatar Airways, I was having a conversation with her, and she told me that, sir, 2 people are selected who are freshers. So there I came to know that a lot of students can be selected as freshers, but you have to perform very well in the airlines interview. Guys, one more thing is that now coming to the next thing is airlines experience will be considered as an advantage, right? So if you're having an airlines experience, right, all those students who have previously got selected from the crash course, guys, this is an airlines which will provide very good salary. Suppose if you are working in Hyderabad base or Chennai base or Bangalore base or any other Delhi base, If you want a good growth in your job, guys, you can join this job, and here the salary will be approx 35,000, which is 35,000 to 40,000, which is very good salary. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that what other skills they have required for this kind of job, right? So it's clearly mentioned what other skills they have required for this kind of job is that product awareness. You have to be awareness regarding the product at cargo reservation. If you are having good idea regarding the cargo reservation, DGR, ITA regulation, various aircraft configuration at capacity limitations, किसमें कितना कार्गो जाएगा, how much, what's the limitations, उस एयरक्राफ्ट का वेट कितना है, सॉरी उस एयरक्राफ्ट में कितना कार्गो लोड जा सकता है. तो दिस आर द फ्यू थिंग्स. नाउ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, गुड कमांड इन इंग्लिश. दिस आर द फ्यू थिंग्स which is a required skill for this job. Now guys, come to the next thing is that what are the duties and job responsibilities. So it's clearly mentioned role of, right, accountabilities. It's clearly mentioned cargo sales executive, accept booking. You have to sit at a reservation counter and you have to accept the booking of cargo sales, and if any person do any kind of inquiries, so you have to resolve their queries also, right? Record updates on backlog and critical situation to avoid complaint from customers. You have to track critical metrics, load, revenue, chargeable weight, each and everything there should be up to mark. You have to use your brains here, right? So prepare daily report for HO and regional management, because you have to because you have to update regarding the loads. Make booking, right? You have to make booking. Trucking companies make use of SPA contracts. Okay, so if we scroll down, right, so these are the few vacancies, these are the few job related things. What are the duties and job responsibilities? So these are the few things, guys. Salary will be 35 to 40,000. Job location is Chennai based, and 10+2, they are hiring 10+2, but preference will be given to those people who are bachelors. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. Although if you are not having experience, do apply for this job. Might be your luck plays a very important role that you will get selected, because sometimes students used to get selected. So better you can apply for this job, and you can try your luck also. Right, airlines experience will be considered as an advantage, right? So all the people who are ex-airlines employee, all the airlines employee, if you want to switch, guys, this is the best time to switch and to make a good career in Qatar Airways. So guys, this was all about detailed video. If you want to how to apply, what you have to do is that you have to click on apply now button, and after clicking on apply now button, the new page will open of how to apply. So guys, you can apply this form, you can fill this form. So if you want me to make a detailed video about how to apply, please guys at least do comment, and 40 likes will be there. At least 40 likes, I will be making a detailed video about how to apply, right? So these are the few things, and do follow our Aviation Life page. There we used to give the latest job update. For example, here we have clearly mentioned Chennai reservation, right? So you can see this thing, cabin crew interview, and today is the Indian Coast Guard day. So these are the few things. We used to run a lot of courses regarding, we used to also run spoken English crash course, and one-on-one marathon classes also there, one-on-one mock interview is there, one-on-one personal meeting is there, Google Meet is there, right? One-on-one personal Google Meet classes with Aviation Life. Here the fees is 10,000 rupees, but selection is guaranteed, guys. Now coming to next thing is that now coming to next thing, a lot of courses. Okay, so today is the last day to join the crash course. Admissions has already started. 1 February crash course will be going to start today at 5 p.m. and from tomorrow the crash course will start full-fledgedly. We have 2 batches, morning batch and evening batch, so you can join, you can take admission, and you can, guys, save your lot of amount of money which you are going to waste at some other academy, some other institute, because they used to charge ample amount of money, and I think that's wastage. Our Aviation Institute, our Aviation online coaching, we used to provide cheapest online coaching, and with the very good results, guys. We have 106 selection in airlines in just 9 months. We used to make resume with guaranteed short listing, and our coaching is India's first online coaching, guys. So by an Airlines Employee. So guys, this was all about the video. Just be with the video, guys. Just be with the channel. Do watch the videos, do watch the playlist which I have already shared with you, and guys, till evening a lot of videos are going to come, so guys, do watch the video. Guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar, and jai hind to all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, because it motivates me to make new videos for you all. Tab tak guys, bye bye everyone, and maze karo na guys, maze karo.